Let's start warming up by shaking your arms and legs loose. Palms facing you, tap your heels down to the floor. Turn your palms outward and open your feet wider. Swing your arms while relaxing and releasing tension throughout your body. Next, move your feet apart and shake them fast and small. Imagine holding a chi ball as you do cleansing breaths. Inhale fresh energy and exhale old energy out. Exhale everything out, then slowly step out. Roll an imaginary ball, keeping your back flat. Relax your hips as you roll the ball side to side. Return to the center and slowly come up to standing. Step in and inhale while arching your back. Exhale as you round your back. Roll your wrists and ankles. Then reverse the direction. Repeat on the other side. Then reverse the direction. Cross your arms behind and roll your hips and groin. Reverse the direction. Then switch sides and repeat. Reverse the direction. Place your hands on your lower back and roll your hips, gradually making circles bigger. Then, make the circles smaller. Or reversing the spiral motion. Cross your fingers and reach up with heels lifted. Twist your chest towards the sky and look up. Slowly return to a standing position with your arms down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale again. And exhale with your arms down. Raise your palms facing up and flip in front of your chest before pushing them out. Once your arms are fully extended, bend forward. Once you are all the way down, hold your elbows, relax your shoulders and neck. Release your hands and round your back as you return to standing. Place your hands on your lower back and open your chest. Slowly come back up. Inhaling and exhaling. Relax your breath. Inhale again. Exhale while opening your chest. And then fully open your chest to the sky. Hug yourself with your heels lifted, then drop your heels. Inhale and exhale. Bring your hands in front of your eyes and tap the backs of your hands on your lap. Gather chi and bring it down to your dantian. Let's stretch our arms deeper. Bring your arms up to shoulder height and twist outward. Then inward. Inhale as you open your collarbone and exhale while opening your shoulder blades. Bring your arms up like opening wings, set them to shoulder height. Open your chest, and flex your wrists. Slowly bringing your arms down. Now, we'll focus on our legs. Begin by pointing your toes and drawing a half circle on the floor. Find your balance and lift your foot off the ground. Switch sides and repeat the half-circle movement with the other foot. Let's bring one leg higher. Relax your knee and straighten your leg out in front of you. Draw a circle with your foot. Then bend your knee and gently land on the floor. Switch sides, keeping your standing leg slightly bent. To combine these movements, raise your arms up to shoulder height. Bring one knee up. Then straighten your leg forward and draw a circle all the way to the back. Bend your knee, open your chest, flex your wrist, and gently bring your foot down to the floor. Open your arms like wings. Set your arms and find your balance with your standing leg slightly bent. Relax your hips and open your chest. Inhale and bring fire energy into your heart. Exhale and set the chi. Relax your arms and feel the lightness of your body. Imagine yourself flying in the sky before landing softly. To close, inhale and gather chi. Exhale and bring the chi down to your dantian. Then, pack your chi into your dantian.